This War of Mine. XCOM 2. Developer for Raxus Games. Destiny. Developer Bungie. More Destiny 427 of 1371, the 100 plus best video games of all time. Ranked by fans 187 of 465, the most addictive video games of all time 66 of 177, the best video games of the 2010s. Rank. Destiny 2. Developer Bungie. More Destiny 251 of 124, the most popular video games right now 11 of 66. The most popular action games out now 185 of 354, the greatest RPG video games ever made. Gears of War Judgment. Developer People Can Fly. More Gears of War Judgment 246 of 271, the most compelling video game storylines ever 85 of 114, the best games to play online 58 of 204, the best games on Xbox Game Pass. Halo 5 Guardians. Developer 343 Industries. Gears of War Ultimate Edition. Developer The Coalition. PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. Developer Pub Corporation. Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. Developer Infinity Ward. More Call of Duty Infinite Warfare 61 of 124, the most popular video games right now 663 of 1371, the 100 plus best video games of all time, ranked by fans 45 of 61, the best PlayStation 4 shooter games you should be playing. Halo Wars 2. Developer 343 Industries Creative Assembly. Sniper Ghost Warrior 3. Developer CI Games. Gears of War 4. Developer The Coalition. Call of Duty Black Ops Neon. Developer Treyarch. Tom Clancy's The Division 2. Developer Massive Entertainment. Wolfenstein Roman II, The New Colossus. Wolfenstein Roman II, The New Colossus. Gears 5. Developer The Coalition. Zombie Army 4 Dead War. Developer Rebellion Developments. Fallout 4. Fallout 4. Far Cry 5. Developer Ubisoft Montreal. Sudden Strike 4. Sudden Strike 4. Titanfall 2. Developer Respawn Entertainment. Call of Duty Warzone. Developer Infinity Ward. Star Wars Battlefront Roman II. Sniper Elite 4. Sniper Elite 4, Call of Duty WWII. Developer Sledgehammer Games. Battlefield V. Developer dice. Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands. Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands. Battlefield 1. Developer dice. Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Battlefield 4. Developer EA Digital Illusions C.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.